Hey, wow, we're back. Quick unboxing today. Mous, if you've heard of them, from phone cases, drop protection, do all the stuff phone wise. Well, they actually do stuff for the MacBook, and they brought out a 13-inch and now they have a 16-inch MacBook protector sleeve. Drop proof, waterproof, all the works, the same technology they use for the phones, now for a laptop. Let's open this and check it out. I've been waiting for this a while. The MacBooks, if you've got one, are very expensive, as we all know, and the last thing you want to do is damage it and have to try and get it fixed. So, Mous, check it out. 16-inch MacBook Pro. Very happy with this. Looking forward to that. Oh, that's nice. There you go, Mous. Well made. I did get a 13-inch for my old one, and it was a really nice fit. I tried to fit the 16-inch in it, and it was a little tight, so it'd be interesting to see how this fits. Oh, like a glove. Hello. You can see the AiroFoam around the edge. That sits perfectly around the laptop. And now I have full 100% protection. You can feel it in those corners for the MacBook Pro. If you haven't gone and seen them, go check out Mous. They did have a sale on last week or the week before. So if not, go check it out. And yeah, 16-inch MacBook Pro by Mous. Laptop cover, sleeve. Sleeve, I think they call it. Not a cover. Anyway, talk to you soon.